Hello everyone, myself Ved Prakash with a short topic on 10 famous mathematicians and their contribution to the world. First mathematician, Archimedes. The greatest scholar of the ancient era, Archimedes made phenomenal contribution in the field of mathematics. His works include finding various compilation techniques to determine volume and area of several shapes including the conic section. Then second mathematician Euclid. Euclid, the father of geometry, wrote the book Euclid's Geometry. That is considered to be the greatest piece of historical works in mathematics. The book is divided into 13 parts and in it Euclid has discussed in details about geometry, what is now called Euclidean geometry. His works are also well known in fields of spherical geometry, conic sections and number theory. Then third mathematician Aryabhatta. He was the greatest Indian scholar in the field of maths, has been famous for his theorems on astronomical bodies that have been found to be very accurate in terms of modern calculations. Aryabhatta, his only works to have survived, has given the world innumerable theorems and research subjects. His two other major contributions are introduction of zero to the world and calculating the approximate value of pi. His works are also spread in fields like algebra, arithmetic, trigonometry, etc. Then fourth mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan. He was the greatest Indian mathematician of 20th century, contributed immensely in fields like number theory, mathematical analysis, string theory and crystallography. His genius has been admired by some greatest contemporaries of his time. He is held to be one of the most famous in field of number theory. Although he lived for a short span of 32 years, he compiled nearly 3900 phenomenal results that leave even the best mathematical brains of today in sheer awe. Then fifth mathematician René Descartes. The French philosopher and scholar René Descartes was well known for his method of expressing geometric shapes in the form of algebraic equations. It was because of René Descartes that we got introduced to the beautiful branch of coordinate geometry. The Cartesian coordinates, in fact, they refer to his name. Besides this, René has contributed significantly in the field of optics and energy conservation. Then sixth mathematician Carl F. Gusses, a German expert known as Princeps Mathematicum, meaning the prince of mathematicians or the foremost of mathematicians, was a child prodigy and genius. Carl F. Gusses made path-breaking contributions in fields like set theory, statistics, differential analysis, geophysics, electrostatics, number theory and astronomy. He proved the fundamental theorem of algebra and also contributed to number theory. Then seventh mathematician Blaise Pascal, a French philosopher, mathematician and physicist, contributed in several areas of mathematics, but he is widely known for Pascal's triangle. He invented the first mechanical adding machine in the year 1642. The unit of atmospheric pressure, that is Pascal, represented as Pa, has been named in his honor. He also contributed to the field of computers, and the programming language Pascal was named after him in 1972. Then eighth mathematician Pythagoras. The Greek philosopher known as the father of numbers is famous for the discovery of Pythagorean theorem formula, which states that in a right angled triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. So here x square plus y square equal to z square. The ninth mathematician Sir Isaac Newton was one of the greatest contributors in the field of maths and physics. His works are spread in almost every field. He developed calculus, both differential and integral, that are still the most important aspects of higher mathematics. Using calculus, he made it easier to find the area bounded by closed curves. In physics, his most world-changing work was the discovery of existence of gravitational force in our surrounding. Then 10th mathematician. Benjamin Banneker, a child prodigy, a vast designer and an intellectual in maths. Banneker discovered many puzzles in fields of trigonometry. He was genius in logarithms and used them extensively in trigonometry. So thank you all.